Every thumbnail that is showing on your screen is made using AI. And these thumbnails will give you millions of views on your videos. For example, entering this prompt has generated this thumbnail. And entering this prompt has generated this thumbnail. And you can also create similar thumbnails using only 2 AI tools. First tool will help you create a prompt for your thumbnail, and then the next tool will help you generate the thumbnail. To generate the thumbnail, we are going to use this AI tool called Pikzels AI. To create thumbnails using Pikzels, you must join their Discord server, which you can join using the first link down below in the video description. Here, go to the free trial channel to test out the tool. Now to create a thumbnail, we only need to enter this command and then paste our prompt here. I've generated this prompt with the help of ChatGPT. I simply went to YouTube and then found a thumbnail on a similar topic that has millions of views. And then I downloaded the thumbnail using this Chrome extension. Next, I uploaded the thumbnail here in ChatGPT and asked it to generate a prompt for this image. And within a few seconds, ChatGPT has created this prompt. Next, I only pasted this in Pikzels AI. And now if I hit enter, the Pikzels AI will start working. Of course, it will take some time to create this thumbnail. And since the thumbnail is being generated, why don't you just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel in the meantime? This will make me really happy. Anyways, you can see that Pikzels has finally generated a thumbnail for us. This one is not 100% accurate, but we have the option to regenerate the thumbnail. Of course, since we are using a free plan, the thumbnail will have the Pikzels watermark. To remove the watermark, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Pikzels pricing plan starts from $20, and then you can upgrade as per your need. This is much affordable than hiring a thumbnail designer for your channel. Not to mention that you can save an extra 30% on the yearly plan. Pikzels have many more options to generate the thumbnail. You can enhance your existing thumbnails, add images, use face swap, and even recreate thumbnails. This is the best AI thumbnail generator at this moment, and I highly recommend it. If you want to upgrade to Pikzels paid plan, you can use this coupon code, which will give you a flat 50% discount for the first month. You can give this tool a try yourself and see if it works for you or not. But before that, I recommend that you watch this video on Pikzels AI. This is a complete walkthrough video, which will help you understand all the features of this tool. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.